Once there was a little kitten named Dot. She was very pretty, with soft and silky fur. If you stroked her, she would purr contentedly. Dot was a gentle kitten and would never hurt anyone with her claws, as she kept them hidden in her paws. She was all white, with just one small spot, which is how she got her name. Dot loved to spend time with her grandma, who would often knit while Dot sat close by. Dot would watch intently as the yarn was knit into different shapes and patterns. She longed to play with the yarn and would often wish that her grandma would drop her ball of yarn so she could chase it around. And when it finally did drop, Dot would run after it with all her might, playing and having fun. Although Dot was still a kitten, she had not yet caught a rat. She was still too little and inexperienced to do so, but she knew that one day she would be able to catch them. In the meantime, she was content to play and enjoy her time with her grandma and watch her knit.